Visit to Goa to stay, and then you also visited one of the
No,
panchayats.
as the General Secretary, National General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party, I have been given the responsibility to visit Goa and to review the Sangathan, the organization strength of our party. And that is the reason why I am here since yesterday. I had a series of meetings. I have met up with the district, I have met up with Mandal, I have met up with booth committee members as well. I have met with the state Padadikaris, and I got a fair picture of how the party is actually strengthening itself in Goa. And with elections round the corner, I am sure that the people of Goa are recognizing the good work that Modi ji is doing for the country, and also the good work that Bharatiya Janata Party government in Goa is doing for the people of Goa. I am sure in the forthcoming elections they will surely bless us. I am here today with Jennifer ji, Talegaon, and I am here again to sit with her and understand the situation, the challenges, the issues, if they are facing any here. But I'm very happy to learn that she is not only fulfilling her responsibilities well as the Revenue Minister, but she is also catering to her constituency very well. And we are assured that definitely in the forthcoming elections, people will bless Bharatiya Janata Party and ensure that we come back to power.
Now, how are you looking for the reservation for women in Goa, for all over quota, which is there for 30%? Are you putting this forward to your party?
No, party is well aware of this, and as you know that all parties are literally working for it. But beyond the reservations also, Modi ji has worked so much for the women of the country. He has brought in a slew of programs for the women of the country. It can be Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. At the same time, it can be Indra Dhanush, it can be Matritva Vandana Yojana, Matritva Surakshit Yojana. These are only a few that I am quoting. But if you look at the Jandhan accounts as well, which Modi ji brought in for the poor, about almost 80% are accounts by the women for the women itself. So in that sense, we are totally, the Bharatiya Janata Party is committed and focused on women empowerment.
Well, how do you see this? There are so many parties coming down in Goa. They are promising so much free electricity, water. So how you stand on this?
I would request the people of Goa to once give a thought to this. Because the freebies that are being promised by the various other parties, like I see hoardings where AAP says we will give you 24 hours free power to the people of Goa. Now the Goan people will have to understand where is that money going to come from. I think they will have to question Aam Aadmi Party. They will have to question Arvind Kejriwal ji as to from where is he going to bring that money and give free electricity to the people. After all, the taxes that are being collected from the people itself is going back to them in the form of free. So I don't see any reason why people of Goa will succumb to it and will believe Arvind Kejriwal ji or any other party for that instance if they promise freebies.
Madam, just explain the fruit.
Ma'am knows about the grapefruit. Yes. We also wanted to give the grape that he just planted. Oh, thank you, sir. Yeah.
What was the reactions of her? How was this?
So she visited just before the elections. So she's given the responsibility to tour different places, and that is the reason she's come to Goa. She sat with us for quite some time and asked us about the constituency, about our mandals, whether we formed it, the strength of the party in Talegaon, and various other issues.
As she is happy with your
Yes.
overall panchayat.
Yes, she's happy.
Special panchayat पोपा केली कितें तुमकां दिसलें इलेक्शन हेजें?
Maybe she found something unique with our panchayat and our minister Jennifer Monserrat, who is performing well at the state level. So she had come today to visit our panchayat and see how we are doing our karyakarta's work and preparation for the election. आयज आमची इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणटा पळय ती तेजे क्वेश्चन आशिल्ले सगल्यो कमिटी फॉर्म जाल्यो बूथ कमिटी फॉर्म जाल्यो मंडल and other things and Prabhari Ashillo. So we have given her the updates and the statistic of the constituency, and she was concerned with the farming as well as the fishing community where the ST people are part of this constituency. So she was asking us how they are doing with respect to the farmers bill, which we are not affected. And she was happy that we are taking care of the farmers and other issues. So overall, it was reaction was very good from her, and with a smile, she has returned back to her other schedule of the day.